How would you like to create your own free subscribe button using Canva and even make it animated? I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a few clicks right here in this video. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back. But if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel where it's all about helping you grow your business on the interwebs. Also, be sure to select that bell notification so you can know when I upload my next video. And as always, be sure to visit the description box below for helpful resources related to this video. All right, cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Canva. I'm going to share my screen and I show you how to create an animated subscribe button. It's pretty simple. And you can even do this with your free account. And if you have a paid account, you just have more options, but you can certainly do this free. Then I'm going to show you how I upload it to my video editing software. So let's head over there. All right, here we are over on Canva. And what you're going to do is you're going to want to use the YouTube thumbnail size, just so you have the correct size. So I just like to search, just type out YouTube thumbnail. You're going to want to click on that. And what you're going to do is you're going to want to create a blank YouTube thumbnail. The first thing you're going to want to do is you want to click anywhere in the blank spot where it's going to be highlighted. You go to the background color. And what you're going to do is choose a green color. It doesn't matter what type of green it is. You can even go here, make it even more green for green background. So don't freak out about that. It's just something that the editing software will help make it transparent background. It just needs to be a green screen. So just go ahead and click on that green color. Then on the left-hand side, you're going to go to Elements. So up here in the Elements, you're going to search for Button. And here you're going to find a different series of buttons that you can use to whatever that is for your brand. You can certainly use that. And when you're hovering your mouse over a certain image, you're going to see that it's either free or pro. So depending on what kind of account you have, you can choose the one that is either free or pro. So I'm going to go ahead and select this red one. And then I'm going to go to text. And here you can see that the special text is all pro here. So what we're going to do is make it look fancy to make it look like YouTube, a YouTube text. So I'm going to say subscribe. Once you have that in the place that you want, you're going to go up to animate. And you see all these choices. These are the choices for the free account, and these are the pro. But let's go ahead and go to tumble, and you can see how the letter and the button are separate. So what you want to do is you want to drag your mouse, go to group, and then animate, and then they will be grouped together. And then you can set the video length as you want it. So you can make it for 10 seconds. You can make it for 3 seconds, however you need on your video. And then you're just going to click done. Download as an MP4 video file, and you select download. And then here we are at my video editing software. I'm using Wondershare, and I have embedded video here already. And then I have uploaded or imported my subscribe button. See how it's green. So when I drag it to my video on another line, you're going to see that it's green. So what I'm going to do is go to the video editing software effects, and there's a green screen. So depending on which one you are using, you can probably just Google or YouTube where to find your video editing software green screen. And for Wondershare, all I have to do is drag and drop onto this element. And then place it where I need it. And there we go. There is my subscribe button. All right, there you go. That's how you can create your own subscribe button using Canva. And of course, you can find other helpful resources to help you grow your business online below this video. And if you have any questions, definitely comment below. My name is Kati Stage. I want to thank you for watching. Remember, hitting that subscribe button is always appreciated. I look forward to helping you again soon. Thanks and bye for now.